Hey guys, welcome to Autodidactic. Today, I'm gonna show you guys how to build a little cover for your fireplace. So with the house that I bought, they don't have glass door or seal fireplace. So if you don't have a door, the cold air keep coming in. I've been researching this and it's about $300 or $400 just to get the door installed. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna build a frame that can plug up the whole fireplace when I'm not using it. So that way the cold air is not coming to the house. On the edges, I'm gonna probably put silicone or some rubber. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get a piece of wood or plywood and just cut out all the corners and just put it up so that way the wind don't come in. The only thing that's stopping it is the flue. This thing is super thin. By the way, this drywall T-square 90-degree angle for cutting. Great measurement tool. I'm gonna use the 2x4 to have leverage so I can cut the board. Easy peasy. There we go. So, by the way, this also has the little indicator right here that will guide you. Perfect little cut. There you go. All right, I'm gonna do some dry fitting. Like a glove. It's just temporary, so the wind won't blow in. Right now it's about 11 degrees and it's really cold and the cold air keep blowing in. You waste a lot of energy trying to heat up your house. This is a great temporary setup. Ooh, it's hot. All right, just put the foam here so that way I can cover it all around, just the top and the sides. And I'm putting this kind of plastic fireplace. Let's see. Not bad. All right, this is gonna be a little tab. You can cut this out, use any plastic, or you can pull the fireplace display out. I just need 2 pieces. Maybe I need longer than that. Two little tabs should be done. Cool. Nice and tight. Can't even tell. So now it's airtight. So no more air leaking in, and it looked like an actual fireplace. Pretty sweet. So this is too tight. If you need to get it out, these tabs I make, slide it out. That's it. See how easy that is? Cool. Done. Thanks guys. Please subscribe.